right, Ari. Ready to light up the city?
Always. Let's show them what teamwork looks like. Think you can beat me to the signal tower? Think again.
Milo, we don't have time for your games. Rex, watch out. He's got more tricks up his sleeve.
I see him. Keep guiding me, Ari. Let's see you handle this, hotshot. Nice try, Milo, but I've got this.
Ugh, okay, maybe I overdid it.
Looks like you are stuck, Milo. Let's finish this, Rex.
We did it, Ari. Right on time.
The city's alive again. Great work, team. As the clock ticks down, the city holds its breath.
Don't get too comfortable. I'll be back.
We'll be ready. See you around.